Okay, this is practical number 7, BCD to 7 segment decoder using IC 7447. Now in this experiment, we are going to give 4-bit binary and the output will be decimal numbers. Since it is going to convert binary into decimal numbers, it is called as decoder. This is the pin diagram of IC 7447. Now it is a 16 pin IC. Pin number 16 is VCC. Pin number 8 is ground. Now in this 4-bit binary which you are supposed to give, it is on these pins. Pin number 6, 2, 1, 7. Now this pin number 6 you have to give the MSB bit, and pin number 7 is your LSB bit. So your pin number 6 is B3, pin number 2 is B2, pin number 1 is B1, and pin number 7 is B0. So this sequence is very important. You have to give in this sequence only. Then pin number 3, 4, 5. We have already studied about the lamp test, blanking input and ripple blanking input. All these 3 pins you are supposed to connect to VCC. Pin number 13 should be connected to pin A of 7 segment display, 12 to B, 11 to C, 10 to D, 9 to E, 15 to F, and 14 to G. So this is the overall the pin diagram of IC 7447. This is the overall circuit diagram of 7447 BCD to 7 segment decoder. Now in this is 7447 IC, and this IC is 7 segment display. Now we have already studied about 7 segment display. There are 2 types of 7 segment display. One is common anode and common cathode. So this IC which we will be using in our laboratory here for the experiment is common anode type 7 segment display. This is the overall connections which I have taught you. So 6217 here BCD inputs we are going to give. 3, 4, 5 should be connected to VCC, and then the pin number 13 will be connected to the pin number 7 of this IC, and so on. All these connections are shown here. Pin number 16 is connected to VCC, and it is also having common anode pin, center pin, which is connected to VCC. So this is overall circuit diagram of our experiment. Overall connection of our experiment BCD to 7 segment decoder. Here this IC which you can see is your 7 segment decoder, and this IC is 7447, and this is power supply. Now in this power supply we are going to give 5 volts. So we are going to set voltage of 5 volts. So now here I'll show you the inputs. So this black color wire is 6. So that is B3. This is B2. This is B1. Red color is B1 and yellow color is B0. So this is yellow is LSB bit and this is MSB bit, black color. So this is the binary inputs. These are the 4 binary inputs, and the decimal number will be displayed on this 7 segment display. Now we'll start with the checking the output. This is the observation table. Now the binary inputs, this is B3, B2, B1, B0. All we are going to give 0 as binary, and the 7 segment will display decimal number 0. So we can see here in this experiment 6 I have connected to 0, 2 I have connected to 0, 1 I have connected to 0, and this last LSB bit also I have connected to 0. So B3, B2, B1, B0, all I have connected to 0. So now I switch on the power supply, and you can see decimal number 0 is displayed on 7 segment display. So binary 0, 0, 0, 0, and decimal number is 0. Now in the second input, so binary number which we are going to give is 0, 0, 0, 1. decimal number which we are going to get display is 1, decimal number 1. So coming to our, this is the observation table. Now in this observation table we are going to give the input 0, 0, 0, 1 binary input. So this is B3, B2, B1, B0. So B0 we are going to connect to 1, and the decimal number which will be shown on the 7 segment display is 1. Now this is B3, B2, B1, and this is B0. B0 I have connected to logic 1. So now when I switch it on, decimal number 1 is displayed. Hence this observation table we have verified. Now the next input, binary input, we are going to give for decimal number 2. Now we are going to give the input, binary input 0, 0, 1, 0. Now in this it should display decimal number 2. So we are going to connect this 1, that means B3, B2, B1. B1 we are going to connect to 1. And you can see B3 connected to ground, B2 connected to ground, then B1 connected to VCC, this is B1, this is connected to logic 1, and B0 connected to ground. And when we switch on the power supply, decimal number 2 is displayed on 7 segment display. Okay. To display decimal number 3, we have to give binary input 0, 0, 1, 1. So we are going to give B1 and B0 1, 1 and B3, B2 0, 0. And it will display decimal number 3. So you can see here. So this is B3 connected to 0, B2 भी 0 है, and then B1 and B0 both are connected to VCC. And you can see a decimal number 3 is displayed on 7 segment display. Now to display decimal number 4, B3 we are going to connect to 0, B2 we are going to connect to 1, and B1 and B0 we are going to connect to 0. So you can see here B3 is connected to ground, here it is, and B2 we are connected to VCC, and B1 and B0 are connected to ground. And you can see decimal number 4 is displayed on 7 segment display. Now to display decimal number 5, B3 we are going to connect to 0, B2 we are going to connect to 1, B1 we are connect to 0, and B0 we are going to connect to 1. So only these two we are going to connect to 1, and you can see here B3 is connected to 0, then we have connected this to 1, then this B1 is connected to 0 and B0 is connected to 1, and you can see here decimal number 5 is displayed on 7 segment display. Now to display decimal number 6, the binary inputs which are going to give is B3 connect to 0, B2 connect to 1, B1 connect to 1, and B0 connect to 0. So you can see here B3 we are connected to 0, B2 and B1 we have connected to 1, and B0 we have connected to 0, and it is going to display 6. So this is how it is going to display 6. To display decimal number 7, we are going to connect B3 to 0 and rest all B1, B2, B1 and B0 to 1. And you can check from here. So B3 is 0 and rest all B2, B1 and B0 we have connected to 1. And you can see it has displayed decimal number 7. Now to display decimal number 8, we are going to connect only B3 to 1 and rest all B2, B1 and B0 to 0. And you can check from here. Only B3 I have connected to 1 and rest all I have connected to 0. And it is going to display, it has displayed decimal number 8. To display decimal number 9, we are going to connect B3 to 1 and B0 to 1. And B2 and B1 we are going to connect to 0. Now, you can check from here. B3 and B0 I have connected to 1. This and this. And these wires B2 and B1 are connected to 0, and you can check here it has displayed decimal number 9. Hence we have verified the truth table of BCD to 7 segment decoder. So this is the observation table of BCD to 7 segment decoder with the binary inputs and decimal output displays. And this is the conclusion, result and question answers of BCD2 7 segment display.